Fried chicken ranch pizza. Mmm. Oh, so good. Hey guys, so tonight we'll be making a chicken ranch pizza. As you can see here are all the ingredients we're going to be using tonight. Fried chicken, pizza cheese, mozzarella parmesan shredded cheese, ranch dressing, but we're going to be healthy and use a Greek yogurt, some Frank's hot wing sauce, adobo, always adobo, typical red sauce, you can use whatever kind of red sauce tickles your fancy, a little ham for later to add a little special ingredient to one of the pizzas, and then flatbread pre-cooked pizzas. Nice little thin bread, flatbreads, pre-made, so you don't have to go through the hassle of making dough tonight. As per instructions, we're going to go toast these in the oven. Toasting as per directions to 375, which is a nice little temperature anyways, to just about cook anything in your oven. Since pizza can be drippy, I just like to put down some little styrofoam, tin foil, just to catch any messes. Alright, throwing in the flatbreads, because they're pretty flimsy as you can see. I'm going to toast them up just a little bit. Alright, so while the flatbread crust is toasting, just grab your fried chicken, get a fork, and rip the meat off the bones. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just nice and simple. Just rip the meat off the bones with the fork. Get all that good fried chicken off. Alright, now that you got all the meat off the bones, just chop up the chunks into manageable pizza topping sizes. Whatever you're comfortable with. Nothing fancy, no spinning of the knife, no fast actions you gotta worry about your fingers with. Just make nice little chunks that you know you would like on a slice of pizza. Bite size. Alright, we cut up about two breasts of chicken, fried chicken. But I'm only going to cut up one little slice of ham. In this particular case, it's a sweet ham, because that's what my wife bought. I'm going to slice it up in nice little easy pieces that go on nicely on pizza. Nothing crazy. I'm only going to do one pizza with them. Just a little compliment. Okay, here we got two pieces of flatbread. Honestly, they came out a little toasty for me. I took a little longer. You're only supposed to leave them in for 4 minutes, and I got caught up, and they stayed in a little longer, but whatever. We're going to do it. Let's see how it works out. Either way, it's going to taste delicious. Because really, the flatbread is just a vessel for all the goodness that's on top. Got a red sauce here. You don't need that much. You don't need that much red sauce. You don't need to put that much sauce on the pizza. It's a little bit goes a long way, because if not, it comes too soggy. That's just my preference. So I like coating the sauce. I think first I'm gonna go for a little typical pizza blend. No, BS. Adobo. We're gonna jazz up the sauce with some adobo. Adobo is my special ingredient to everything. Never go wrong with adobo. Alright, now let's put a little piece of cheese. So I like the layer. I like to layer my cheeses within the ingredients I put in the pizza. Let's give a little coating, light coating of cheese. Use a little pizza blend. All right. Get the fried chicken. Make a little nice bed of that. Got a lot of fried chicken. I got enough fried chicken to do 3 more pizzas. Ugly piece of skin. Alright, throw a little ham into this one, just because I want to. Well, actually it's because I was too lazy to make bacon, so I figured, let me just use ham. That's enough. Alright, next, let's do a little cheese on it. This time, we use a little mozzarella. I like to use mozzarella on top because mozzarella melts slower than other cheeses that you would use for pizza. Buys me a little bit more time in the oven to heat up the meats and sauce. I just love mozzarella. I'm from New York, so I appreciate good mozzarella. Just love mozzarella. Alright. Just throw a little Frank's hot sauce. Got the wing flavor here. A little light coating, light coating. Put on some of that ranch. Trying to be healthy, or telling ourselves we're going to be healthy by using Greek yogurt dressing, but still ranch. You know, you could be fat, but still eat skinny. Come on. Oh yeah, just get all that ranch all over the place. All right. Throw a little bit more mozzarella. All right. Let's get these things to the oven. Alright, oven's at 375. Let's get these pizzas in there. Alright. Now let's leave them alone for... Yeah, we'll check up on them in 5 minutes. How do I set this timer? Clock time. 5. No. It's not it. Here. Dang it. Start all over again. Start. Alright, now timer 5 minutes. Alright, now we got it. Alright, 5 minutes. We'll check on them in 5 minutes. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice. We gotta get those out of there now. The thing is, for me to do this one-handed for your entertainment. Ooh. Look at that. That is nice. That cooked nicely. Let's cut this up and get ready to serve. Fried chicken ranch pizza. Mmm. Oh, so good. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Fried chicken. It was in the refrigerator from earlier. It was cold, but heated up nicely in the oven. No problem. The cheese melted great. The ranch. You hit the little pocket of ranch. So good. This is the one that threw in a little ham. It's nice. You know, the ham isn't offensive. The ham complements it. You know, still lets the chicken be the star.